to Kitanna's kitchen. This is my birthday special. Unicorn cupcakes. Are you excited? Cause I am. I got all dressed up for this one. I'm gonna be 4 years old. I wish I really be 3, but I want to stay 4. But that's okay. Let's get started with the unicorn cupcakes. First things first, our cake mix. We chose Party Rainbow Mix. I'm gonna make 3 eggs, 1 cup of almond milk, and a cup of vegetable oil. Let's get mixing. Time to pour in our party mix. Time to pour in our 3 eggs. Cup of vegetable oil. 1 cup of almond milk. Now it's time to mix it. Wash my hands. Now what we're going to do is something really cool. We're going to separate the batter into 2 bowls. And now that we did that, we're going to add food coloring. We're going to do 1 pink and 1 blue. I'm going to add the blue now. I'm going to add the pink. I was going to make it like a dinosaur. I'm going to mix the blue first. Ooh, pretty. That's pretty. Ooh, that's special. Before I mix the pink, it's time to turn on the oven. Mommy, can you help me?
Yes, I can, baby.
You always need adult supervision. Time to mix it. Ooh, pink. Pink, pink, blue. Time to put my cupcake winders in. Now I gotta spray my cupcake winders. Ow.
Would you like my help?
What is it? Mommy had to help me with that one. But it's time to scoop in our batter. With 2 different spoons. We're going to scoop the pink first. Now it's time to put on the blue.
you like my help?
Yes.
All right. There you go.
Now let's put it on the powders. I like to make my frosting purple. Let me add some drops in. 1, 2, 3. Mommy, could you help me, please?
Yes, baby.
Boo, boo.
There you go.
They're ready. Those are looking good. While those are cooling down, we get the frosting on. I got my frosting ready. Now I'm going to decorate my unicorns and cupcakes. Decoration 1 is done. Time to do frosting. Mommy's going to help me.
Put your hand in.
Ooh. Yum yum. Now I'm going to start doing my sprinkles. Now the sprinkles. Now just stick my